Okay, we're going to go to the 8,000 alcohol super stock, the horsepower. Talk to me. What's your name?
Larry Roberts, Wilmington, Ohio, MX 270 Case IH.
Yeah, he's got a bunch of them back in his barn. Next.
My name's John Evans, Wilmington, Ohio. I drive the big boy too.
So they're co-tractors, team tractors. And you, sir?
Robert Galloway from Starberry Plains, driving John Deere Hulk Alcohol Edition.
Well, there's another alcohol, a green one.
Kim Parabeck from West Salem, Ohio, driving my other Deere.
So another green one out of Ohio.
Kendall Cleveguard from Gelmanton, Wisconsin, driving a Minneapolis Moline G1000 called The Last Dog.
So that yellow one always gets a round of applause.
Brent Payne from Cedar Grove, Indiana, driving a Jeans Machine Shop John Deere, the color of money.
So we have another one there, and you, sir?
Jordan Lustig out 84, Pennsylvania, driving the AGCO 8810 called the Silver Bullet.
Well, the Silver Bullet's here.
Ken Miesel, Elmont, Michigan, driving MX 285, mining for dollars.
So the Miesels are here.
Sid Broughton, Silver Springs, New York, driving Case IH 8950. Return a Desperado.
So that Desperado red guy's here.
Robert Crutchfield from Liberty, North Carolina, driving the V8 Perkins Massey Ferguson called Brutal Force.
Okay, that brute force alcohol tractor.
Tim Howell, Clarksville, Ohio, driving the Roberts pulling team, Ryan's Toy 2.
Well, that's the third tractor out of the Ryan stable.
Joe Kwiatkowski, Door, Michigan, driving a John Deere 9200, taking care of business.
He's no stranger here, taking care of business.
Heath Wilnow, Monroeville, Ohio, John Deere 8110, the Sin Wagon.
So that Sin Wagon.
Dave Sonnentag out of Cadott, Wisconsin, on a John Deere Savage.
That Savage tractor.
Dave Mourino from Macon, Missouri, driving a Case IH 7220, the Show Me Showdown.
So out of the Show Me state, ladies and gentlemen, there's your 8,000 super alcohol class. A lot of horsepower here. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a nice round of applause. Come on, bring them out here.
And Larry Roberts and the big toy. Oh, yeah. Mr. Roberts has made his presence in Freedom Hall.
He was the first talking, man. He made a good one. Where are they? Call it the Big Toy 2. They actually have 3 tractors here out of the Roberts stable. And here comes Johnny Evans sitting in the seat from Wilmington, Ohio.
Okay.
He's got his work cut out for him. You can put it into the sand. You're going to have to do it.
246 even roughly for Mr. Roberts. 246 even. You hear him say that he spun the tires on the starting line. He said the RPM really went up on the baby. He said it was a little loose on the starting line for him.
That's a little unusual. You Red fans like that one, didn't ya?
Hey, fans, all you guys right above here, every one of you can stand up and shake your pants legs right now.
Yes, indeed.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Johnny Evans, give him a nice round of applause. Someone forgot 3.58 and 2 tons of sand right there. Wow. Tennessee and the Hulk. And the Hulk Extra Alcohol Edition, I should say, is what it's called. The Hulk Alcohol Edition here coming to the line. 245 will be a full pull.
Well, look at this back here, Butch. We're not using the whisk broom anymore. We got us a blower to take the sand out here. Just look at this thing. As the video shows you guys up here, they actually planned on stuffing this thing into the sand because they came equipped with a little blower to get rid of all the sand. Take a look.
That's what and they also have the other blower over here to cool the engines. They have
Strawberry Plains, Tennessee. Come on, John Deere fan. Let's put one in the sand.
Boy, he had her going. He had her running.
Yeah, but we saw the red flag come up. He actually DQ'd him for going out of bounds.
Tell you what, if Robert could ever keep that thing straight, look out. 82-10, the Hulk Alcohol Edition. Folks, how about it, John Deere people? Give him a nice round of applause. What do you say to Robert Galloway? State?
Yeah, he does. We just told the fans, you know, that he gets his name. He had 4 daughters and his wife. There's 5 ladies in his life. So here's another deer.
Another deer. There you go.
So it's Kim Parabeck out of West St. Set of tires. The first 2 in the sand pile had those brand new puller tires that came out about 4 or 5 years ago. Now these are the older style pulling tires on the other deer. Parabeck. Well, Butch, you know, to drive one of those tractors, you know, it gets a little nervous standing here off the side. You got to have that intestinal fortitude to stay with that tractor. If you don't know what intestinal fortitude is, you got to have guts. Man, to stay right with that baby.
All right, 213 and 39, 213 and 39, 213 and 39 here tonight.
What you got on your head?
Guys from Wisconsin.
Wisconsin tractor.
There we go. We got 2 of them in here. We also have Dave Sonnentag from Cadott, Wisconsin. So the Wisconsin boys, the Badger State boys, are well represented here again. All right. Brent Payne on deck, got a Cedar Grove, Indiana here tonight. And then Jordan Lustig and the Silver Bullet.
Oh yeah, big competitors. Well, the Mini Mo, a tractor of yesteryear. We asked a question one time when the last Mini Mo's were made. Fans there, where's my yellow fans?
Oh, not a bad run at all. How about that?
Take that.
Wham!
Good hook for the Mini Mo. How about it, fans? Put your hands together.
Kendall Klevgard, Mondovi, Wisconsin. Good old G1000. And folks, he did not make it. 244 even.
You got to put that thing into the sand pile at least a foot or better to make it.
Well, folks, one more time. Give him a nice round of applause. He's going to be in number 3. All right, here we go with Brent Payne. John Deere, Color of Money. And right there for Brent Payne. Cedar Grove, Indiana, Brent Payne. Here tonight.
Do we have any Silver Bullet fans? Well, the Agco Silver Bullet out of 84, Pennsylvania. Butch, tough hombre, past national champion. Jordan Lustig.
Full distance for Brent Payne, 228 and 39, 228 and 39. And you know what, Harold? These guys have had a tough season. They have had one break each after another. It's been a tough year for these guys. Let's hope 2005 is better.
Come on, fans, I can't hear you. Let's talk about the Silver Bullet. Man, he stuffed her in there, but
did he bury it enough?
Did he bury it deep enough? You got to get her pretty deep in there to get that 245.
$248 and 44. He made it. 248 and 44. So, let's give him a nice round of applause one more time, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jordan Lustig.
So he's in the pull-off, Butch.
That's right. Now there are 3.
So we got 2 red and 1 silver.
One is mining for dollars out of Almont, Michigan.
Also could put her in the sand pile.
These guys own the gravel pit. Big gravel pits.
Make a huge gravel up in Michigan. Okay, Red fans, come on. How would you like to see number 3 in that pile? Wow! I tell you, the guys up in section 201 are really getting their money's worth tonight.
They certainly are. They're loving every minute of it. Are you guys and gals in 201 having a good time? All right. That's great.
That's an awesome sight to see one come at you like that. 7. So now we have 3 red and 1 silver in the pull-off.
Now you're smiling.
About time, Butch.
About time. You've won this for a long time, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been fighting it, but hopefully things are getting better.
All right, Ken, congratulations. Great run, Ken. Great run.
Do we have any fans from New York? Where's my New York fans? Nice to have you guys make the trip.
Ken Miesel's distance 251 and 87. 251 and 87. 251.87 for Miesel. Now, the return of the Desperado's got a good shot right here. All right, here we go with Sid Broughton.
All right, do we have another sand stuffer? Red, stand up and be counted. Where's the red?
That box is topping just about a 175, something like that, and you see it when it hits those guys, but they act like it's nothing.
Yeah, just bring it on. Never. We got 3 red.
A silver.
A silver.
Or white, we should say.
Yeah.
And
we got 4 red.
we got 4 red.
4 red.
Right.
And 1 silver.
And 1 silver. No green yet.
What's that, Butch?
No green yet.
John Deere fans, stick with us. You might have a shot at her.
47 for Broughton. 250.47. 250 and 47 for Sid Broughton here tonight.
Now, Butch, if that had been me, I'd have been back in the restroom using the second roll-up already. Man, that thing cracked.
Well, folks, let's give him a nice round of applause. How about it? Robbie Crutchfield, Liberty, North Carolina. We're going to believe that Larry Roberts owned this tractor at one time, right? But it was it a diesel at that time?
That's right. This is Tim Howell. This all comes out of the same stables as the Big Toy and the Big Toy 2, Ryan's Toy. They're all out of Wilmington, Ohio. Actually, the driver's out of Clarksburg, Ohio, Tim Howell. What do you think, Larry? Is he going to put her in the sand pile?
I don't know. That's a new one we just built. I hope he does.
Brand new, first run?
We tested it the other day. We got about a half a track run with it.
So, okay, you got your fingers crossed and hope Tim does a good job. All right. Brand new tractor, first run on it. Man, oh man, where are the red fans?
I should let off back here.
Yeah, Larry Roberts was going, stop, get off the throttle, get off the throttle. Wow.
Not only the front wheels, Butch, he darn near made it with the rear tires.
How about a 201?
Man. Well, you can put it into the sand pile as deep as your pockets will go.
That's exactly right. Holy cow. Wow. 6.79. That might be a record, Larry. Wow.
Well,
and what, about 5 years ago?
Switched them all over.
He switched it to green. All green, including his pulling tractor. Yes, sirree.
Joe Kwiatkowski.
All right, here's your ATPA champion. Larry Roberts, the NTPA. Here we go, right now. What a show in super stock alcohol tonight. Unlimited Supers. Wow.
Okay, John Deere fans, it's your turn. You haven't had much to crow about. Take that, Red! Where are the green fans? Oh, the green fans, you got your dream come true.
Two, 5.2.88, 252 and 88.
Don't get any better than this. The Sin Wagon. Come on, John Deere fans, you'd like to have two of them. Well, the Sin Wagon. A slice of cheese.
Here, let me give you a little
Have
bite.
at her.
All right, very capable.
Oh,
very
yeah,
capable. The
that
Savage.
tractor's been up and down the track. He knows what it's all about.
Find out what happens here. Here we go. Dave Sonnentag, Cadott, Wisconsin. Might be just a little bit short.
I don't think he got the job done. Oh, man, that was a good camera shot.
38 and 99, 238.99.
Mourino tractor, the second generation of drivers. There it comes right in the sand pile. Look at you. The Missouri guy gonna do it. Come on, Red fans. One more wouldn't hurt. I don't know.
I don't know. It's real close.
Boy,
it depends on how far that sand pile is packed.
That is true. Good point, Butch.
It just depends.
Remember, he's got to beat that 245 to be in the pull-off.
44 and 99. 244 and 99.
1/100th of a foot.
1/100th of a.
We gotta. I can't say we gotta take care of business here because he's coming up shortly. Let's go, big toy.
Nothing to worry about. That's just a little bit of alcohol in the headers there. Just a little bit of alcohol. It's a cool burn, no problem whatsoever. Everything's okay. Just getting that excess fuel out of those headers, or those stacks, as I should say. Now, this is the mark to be set. This is the mark. 2.18. 232.18 for Larry Roberts. Good point. Okay, here we go.
All right.
232.18.
Johnny Evans, bring it on. Come on, Red fans. 232.18. That's what we got to beat. I don't know if I'd want to beat my boss or not.
237 and 56
I'm
here
back
tonight.
here with Larry Roberts, Butch. Larry, if I was you, I'd fire that guy.
No, I want him to do it. He does all the work.
Well, he does all the work, huh?
He does all the work on the tractors, yep.
So you're not going to fire him at all?
No, we're all the same team.
At least keep him on for a week, right?
Keep him on for a couple weeks.
Okay.
Right back to the same place. All right, here we go. Silver Bullet fans, here you are. Jordan Lustig. Boy, it is tight. It is tight.
Remember, the distance he's got to beat is 237.56. How about it, fans? Let's give him a nice round of applause. Lustig.
0.06. So puts him in number 2. 237.06. 5/10 of a foot.
Okay, dollars at Altamont, Michigan. So far, the lead is into Ohio. Number 2 belongs to Pennsylvania. Number 3 is in Ohio. Michigan would like to top them all off.
This guy's here tonight for the first time since he's built this tractor. Here we go. Here we go with Mr. Miesel.
Well, he got off to the right side, had to get on that left brake. You can just about take 10 feet off of you when you touch those brakes.
.28. 218.28 for Ken Miesel. All right, here we go. Okay. Folks, 06. 216.06. 21.
You're currently setting 1 and 3.
226 and 37. 226 and 37. All right, let's look at this. Your leader, Evans at 237.56. Lustig, number 2, 237.06. Number 3, Larry Roberts, the big toy, 232.18. Number 4, Ryan's toy, 226 and 37. Then number 5, we've got Ken Miesel, 218 and 28. And sitting on the bubble at 216.06 is Sid Broughton.
This is what it's all about.
Oh, man. There was a chance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what'd you think about the Super Stock Unlimited tonight?
And I want to commend so many fans. I looked around, Butch, and there were very few empty seats.
That's right.
All of you stayed for the finish.
There's a little boy up in 216.33, the way it looks. That means that he made it. He made it. 216.33. The John Deere is in. Jim, he's pretty happy with what you did tonight. Congratulations.
Oh, I'm tickled to death. I was just trying to make for Saturday night. That's all I wanted. I didn't expect to do this good.
You did great. 2 outstanding runs. I don't know about Kwiatkowski there. He was running pretty good when he let go, didn't he?
Yeah, he had me a little nervous there. He was cooking, and that little pop done him in.
Anybody you want to thank tonight?
Oh, yeah, I want to thank the Fair Board here and Syngenta and all you great fans out here. Have a great time down there every time we come. I want to thank my boss, Larry Roberts, Tim Howell, my wife, and Angie. My son, he's down here too. We had a great time.
What a great night for you, and good luck to Saturday night.
Yeah, I hope I can do it again Saturday night.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a nice round of applause. How about your winner tonight, Mr. John Evans, ladies and gentlemen, on Big Toy 2. Our trophy presenters representing the Kentucky State Fair Board, Mary Kay Cordes and Brian Devine, representing Syngenta. Well, Jordan, it was just about like that.
Yeah, just one of them days. But we're happy to make the finals, and what a class, and to have 7 or 8 in a pull-off like that, and be able to come back and finish second, only that far back behind that tractor. We're happy, and we'll come back Saturday night.
Let me ask you this. I see you got your pink hat. Let me ask you this. You guys have had so much trouble this summer. After you made that run, did you go back and look? Did you start looking through the filters real quick and checking things out?
Well, yeah, that was the first thing we did, and made a second pass, so we're definitely on the road to improvement, hopefully.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. Anybody you want to thank tonight there, Jordan?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I want to thank Sempico Oil. They do a lot for us and keep their oil in there and keep us running. But I also want to thank Syngenta, all the Kentucky State Fair Board members, announcers, the fans, just everybody here, and also everybody in my pit crew, my dad, Greg, and everybody back at home that couldn't be here tonight. It just takes a group effort, and hopefully we can win her Saturday night.
All right, congratulations to you. Defending champion, we'll hope to see you here Saturday night.
Thank you, Butch.
All right, Jordan Lustig, ladies and gentlemen, number 2 here tonight. Congratulations to him. Great job for the silver bullet here tonight. I knew it was pink. I was going to tell you before the show started, but I didn't know if they saw it. That's pretty cool.
I didn't know what color it was, but I got it. That's what mattered.
What are you going to do with it?
I was worried. I'm going to wear it.
Are you going to wear it?
I got to wear it. Yeah. That's the deal I made with him.
That's a deal. Okay.
I'll take second behind these guys anytime. Jordan's had a hard time this year. Hopefully he's got his problems all figured out now, and Johnny did a heck of a job driving. Had a little miss. I got to figure out why. Probably a bad plug or something. But I want to thank Syngenta. Thank you guys, all you announcers. You guys do a great job. All the crowd for coming. Johnny works on the tractors a lot. Tim drives. Thank Betsy for putting all this pull on. to Fair Board, everything. You guys do a great job.
All right, thank you very much. Larry Roberts, very gracious winner here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, for number 3 spot. Give him a nice round of applause. The toy, the big toy, folks, Larry Roberts out of Wilmington, Ohio. Congratulations. Once again, our trophy presenters.